Hi guys, this is Roms from wpdesignweb.com. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to make free website, this beautiful website with free domain and free hosting online within a minute. So what we will do, we will go to profreehost, you will create an account and get your free domain. Second, we will install WordPress on that domain, log in to your website. Third, fourth, you will design your website, build and edit your website. You can change the logo, the column section, favicon, whatever you want on the website, and launch your website. So first to do, we will go to the profreehost.com. If you don't have account, you can create account. Then you will see this dashboard. Then you will name your domain. So I will call my domain as nutritionist. So my domain is available. Click this check button. After that, you will go to this dashboard and we will go to the cPanel area. You can click this portion. Then you will go to the dashboard, going to the cPanel. So this website is already had about programs, success stories, blog, and contact page. So this pre-template is ready to your personal or any related website development. Go to your control panel. Click this I approve. So this is the look of our cPanel. We will go to find this Softacolos and we install the WordPress. Then we are ready to install the WordPress. Install. So we are now in our the part to install the WordPress. So you can change this site name description if you want. You can change the admin username, password, your admin email, and install the WordPress. After that, so you will see this portion. You can go to the front end. So this is the look of the front end. If you want to go to the dashboard, you can click this link. So this is the look of the dashboard. So we will clean our dashboard to look nice. Then we will design our website. So what we will do, we will go to this portion, these themes, and install the Astra. Add new. Type the Astra. Click install. Activate. Then we will find this portion, the Astra option, to install this primitive template. Then install this importer plugin. So we'll choose the Elementor to import this beautiful template. So click Elementor. So now we are in the template portion. So click 3, then find this template here. So you can install or import the home only, or you can import complete site. So we'll import the complete site. Click import. So we will wait to make the process complete. You can join also to my club. You can join here, and I will help you to design websites. So we are almost complete. So we are almost done. So we are complete. So we can view the site. You can refresh the link. Yeah. So the site is already complete. The template is already complete. So now I will teach you how to change the some background. You can click this portion. To change the logo, you can go to this customizer portion. So the logo is in this portion. The logo and the favicon. If you want to change the site name and the tagline. So to edit the site, you can edit in a specific section column. So just click the edit with Elementor. So to change the background, just click here. So this is the background area. So you can change easily the name, the title and the content if you want. This portion you can change in anything, so Elementor is easy to use. And you can check on mobile, also on tablet. Then preview. If you want to change the menu, this portion, you can go to the menu and change the menu whatever you want for your site. So please subscribe to my channel and join my club, and you can message me also. Thank you for watching this video.